In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Asana. Custom fields let you capture the exact details your team cares about, things like status, priority, budgets, or any label that doesn't come out of the box. By the end, you'll know the fastest, cleanest way to add a field that's easy for everyone to use and report on. Start by opening your project in Asana. Make sure you're in the project where this information belongs because the field you create will appear there immediately. Next, move to the top right and click Customize. This opens the project customization panel where you control views, rules, and most importantly for today, fields. Inside that panel, click the plus button labeled Add, then choose Field. You'll see options to use an existing field or create a new one. Pick Create New Field so you can define something that matches your workflow exactly. Now set up the field, give it a clear, concise title, something your teammates will instantly understand. Then choose the field type. Single select is great when you want a controlled list of choices like priority or stage. It keeps data clean and consistent. Number is ideal for estimates, costs, or quantities, and you can sort or sum these later. Text is best for short, free-form details that don't need standardization. If you choose single select, add a few well-defined options and keep them mutually exclusive so people aren't guessing. Whichever type you pick, aim for simplicity and avoid jargon. When you're happy with the title and type, click Create Field. Asana adds the new field to your project and it becomes available on tasks so your team can start capturing that information right away. If you don't see it at first glance, scroll the task details or adjust your column visibility until it shows. A couple of quick best practices: keep names short so they're readable in list view, use consistent wording across projects to make reporting easier, and create only the fields you truly need. Fewer, clearer fields reduce confusion and help your team adopt them quickly. If you ever outgrow a label, you can update the field name or tidy the single select options to keep them current, and your past task data will remain intact. A quick agreement on definitions for each value prevents mixed interpretations and keeps reporting accurate. That's all it takes to create custom fields in Asana. Open your project, go to Customize, add a field, create a new one, set the title and type, and then create it. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.